Everybody, Iceman50 here. I've got a well, two things. I'm trying out a new camera setup. I've got my camera, my Osmo action camera, mounted to my work light, and you can see I can move it around. That way I can be working on things, here, and it is fixed. I'm gonna have to keep in mind. I'm gonna have to put down like a little mat here. That like lets me know that I'm in the frame. That's probably a good idea. I got my external mic. Tapping on it there. Got my external mic plugged in, and I have power running to the camera, so I don't have to worry about it dying. I gotta just let's see if I can loosen this a little bit. You can see. Yikes. See, here's the cord. Oh, no light. It's kind of nice with being on this lamp. I can see. We can get down. We can get down pretty close. See? Okay, so it's a E3D clone hot end that I got from my printer. I made this piece quite a while ago. I bought this. I have a TiVo tarantula, and this aluminum. I bought this aluminum X carriage for it. It's an upgrade, and it came with a couple of different things. This is long since gone. You can't find them anymore. The guy's out of business. Anyways, we can. I got the pieces. Right now I've got my regular extruder on there, but this is the E3D adapter. You can see it's got the hole in it. It's got this nice little clamp system. So what I did yesterday was I started making myself a parts cooler. So I printed this piece, this purple piece, which is the fan shroud. Covers over the heat sink. You can see it here. Just clips on like that. See. Anyway, so what I wanted to show you was these pieces that I made. This came off of Thingiverse. They're pretty neat. They're got kind of a funky slit in here, anyways, what I did is instead of using these fans, they make bigger ones on here, the 40mm fans. So what I did is I made my own plate to go on top of there to use 50-15 fans. You can see I just took this part in SketchUp and then made a base and then added this piece on, and then this is for the 50-15 radial fan. So yeah, that way I can have two radial fans. Now the heater is in the kind of the way. That's why I moved this. This one looks more correct. It's in the center of where it's supposed to be. This one you can see is like a little offset because I moved it on the other side of the block. But when you clip in the E3D hot end, it's kind of, you see it's kind of in the way, because it would come out over here, but obviously it's right in the way of the heater. I really can't move the heater. The only thing the one cool thing is that, I can kind of, when I'm done with this, get some of these wires out of here, is that this will kind of just, kind of tuck up in there like that. It'll be kind of neat. Anyways, this was just a test video for my new camera setup, so I just thought I'd show you something. Oh, you guys might like these. I did make these for 2020. It's the little baby dumpster fire. It's a little ornament you put on your Christmas tree. So if people actually, you know, want these for Christmas or something, let me know. I'll put them up on my shop. I think I got one on Facebook, my 3D print shop. So, anyways, talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, this is too good to not show you. It's like camera inception. Watch this. I'll move my hand a little bit and just watching through all the other cameras. This is the delay. Just watch my hands through all the. It's I don't know. Somebody might appreciate that. I think it's pretty funny. Anyways, talk to you guys. See you on the next one.